EV Connect is focused on providing a solution to electricity as a transportation fuel. We enable anyone with a parking lot to provide electricity for vehicles. As a site host, you get access to a dashboard. There's real-time information about station usage, as well as historical information to understand utilization, revenue generated, who's using those stations, how those stations are being used. EV Connect is always available. We have 24/7 host support services. We have all sorts of pricing policies that translate to how a driver pays for those charging services. Another key part is uptime and monitoring. 99.999% of the time, when a driver comes up to that station, it needs to be available. Through our API integration, we have customers that are building their own mobile apps, building their own portals, building their own customer experiences. The EV Connect network and our platform are based on open standards. That gives our customers a choice of what's the right hardware for them or right charge station for them. The EV Connect driver typically finds us by going to a location and realizing that there's charging infrastructure there. We've recently implemented facial recognition to get access to the app. And then from there, you would use the QR code scanner from the phone, or you would type in the station identification number and you start charging. You can rate those stations much like you might rate a restaurant. We have in-app driver support, and they'll help us make sure that customers are getting an A+ service. We have a guest experience where you can do one-off transactions and we don't keep your personal information. There are really billions and billions of parking spots all over the world, and those locations need to be set up and prepared to be able to provide charging infrastructure and ultimately the delivery of electricity as a fuel.